Okay, this is the last slide in this series on Writer's Workshop, and this kind of identifies the structure of a unit, and I'll print this for you so you have a copy. And this goes through what a week or process could look like and how to use Writer's Workshop in a unit of study. And so there's usually a pre-assessment activity on day one where you're writing on demand in the genre to identify children's strengths and needs. And then you immerse kids in the process of writing to build new knowledge of a genre, to anchor them in mentor texts, and to teach how to study specific types of texts. And then you rehearse, which could take it could be a couple of mini lessons, it could be one day, and in that process of rehearsing, you draft, you revise, and you edit. And then in the final stages, you publish and then do a post-assessment. So this process could take a week. It could be something that you work on gradually over time, but it should be a specific and well-defined process when you're working on a unit of study that you're supporting through the writing process. And I will print this and give it to you so you have a copy of it. And as you're thinking about how you formulate your writer's workshop, think about these stages and think about the 5 stages in the writing process and what that looks like in your age group or with your grade level. It could look different from kindergarten to 3rd grade. And if you're practicing with preschoolers or younger, this will definitely look different, right? So I will print this and bring this to class the next time we meet. I will be taking a look at your lesson plans very soon as well. Everyone's been working super hard. Sorry to have missed you this week, and I look forward to seeing you all in class next week.